Linking a bank account on Monese is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the features. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once in the app, look for the settings icon, usually located in the profile section. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select bank accounts. In the settings menu, find and select the option labeled bank accounts or linked accounts. This will take you to the section where you can manage your bank connections. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Look for an option to add bank account or link new account. Tap on it and follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, including your account number and sort code. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and confirm the linking process. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Monese account, allowing for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section in the app or reach out to customer support.